Okay, I'm gonna make this quick video to show folks how to tell if it's the bad battery or the alternator slash charging system that's went bad in the car. Here I've got my voltmeter hooked up to my battery with nothing on. The battery is old, so it's 8 years old now, so it's a little lower than what it normally should read. Good new battery would read 12.4, 12.5 volts, but this is an old one. It's still good, but I'm going to show you what you should see when the engine's running versus when it's not. So right now with the car off, it's 12.09 volts on the battery. We're going to start it, and if the charging system is good, that voltage should go up well over 13 volts. I would expect 13 to 14 and a half volts for the alternator charging system to be good. So let's see what happens. Okay, so the alternator is putting out, charging the battery, and maintaining all the accessories running on the car. So my alternator is good, my battery is good, it's able to start the car. So before going out and buying a new battery, run this test. If you need to charge your battery enough to where it'll start the car, do that, and then run this test. And if you don't see the voltage rise like this with the engine running, then your charging system is at fault and not your battery. I see so many people change alternators and batteries, and that doesn't fix the problem. So if the alternator is the problem, a lot of alternators have a built-in regulator and they output power when it's running according to the voltage of the system. But some newer cars, the computer actually runs the alternator and controls it. So if you're not getting charging from your alternator, you have to investigate, is it the alternator or is it maybe the wiring going to the computer. But 90% of the time it's going to be an alternator if you're not getting a voltage rise with the engine running. So hope this helps somebody diagnose their alternator charging system, and have a good one.